Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to use a Bunsen burner. Alright, Bunsen burner, we're using them in the labs. We're using them to actually heat some of our solutions, and also an experiment that we are going to be doing is that we're going to be using the Bunsen burner so we can actually burn some salts and identify the color that the salts actually produce. So let's go over the Bunsen burner. So the Bunsen burner, it has a hose. This hose is connected to gas. What we're using today is propane gas. And what we have here, okay, actually turns, it opens and closes, okay. So we call this window, so we can actually see there's a window right here. It's open and closed. This is what's going to let us have more oxygen get in mixed with the gas, so we get a brighter flame, so a hotter flame or a cooler flame. We always start the Bunsen burner with the windows closed, so it'll be a safer flame and easier to light. So next thing, to light our Bunsen burner, we're going to be using this. This here is our sparker, okay? So this is really complicated caveman technology. We have a special flint rock. So we have a flint rock right here, okay? This flint rock rubs against this metal file, and when it rubs against the metal file, it creates sparks. That's why we call it a sparker, okay? So like caveman used to do, hit a rock on another rock and make sparks to light fire. We're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to turn on the gas and let's light this Bunsen burner and see what it looks like. Turning on the gas. You can actually hear the gas. And there we go. A nice big flame. All right. If I move this back, you can see the change. You're going to see the changing the color of the flame. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn off the lights so you can actually see the change of the color of the flame when I'm actually going to be opening here the windows, and this way we're going to be changing the color of the flame. So I'm here. I'm going to turn it on. Open up the window, and now we can see the color of the flame changed from orange to bright blue. And this is a very, very hot flame. Do not stick your fingers in here. Right? See it pretty? Yes, nice and pretty. Alright, so like I previously mentioned, a Bunsen burner is a mix of the gas and oxygen. So by opening up the window, we add more oxygen so that we have a brighter flame. And how this works is that by entering more oxygen here, it actually mixes here at the top with the gas, and therefore the oxygen and the gas mixes very well. Now the oxygen actually pours out from the middle here of the burner, and the gas comes out of the outside. And what it does is actually makes a tiny little area in the middle of the Bunsen burner where there's actually no gas and no fire being produced. If there's a way to actually have something in the middle that we could show that it doesn't burn. And guess what? We do have something. Let's try this. I have here a match. I'm putting the match right here in the middle of the Bunsen burner. We can see that the match here is in the middle of the Bunsen burner. I'm going to turn the gas on, light the Bunsen burner, and we'll see that the match doesn't light up. Here we see the Bunsen burner is lit, it's actually flaming, and the match here in the middle isn't lit because the middle here, there's only oxygen, and the gas is actually more onto the outside, and the fire is more onto the outside. If I were to push the match so it does go closer to the side, let's see what happens. Oh, there it goes. So now our match wasn't in the safe zone anymore, and therefore it burned. All right? Pretty cool. Alrighty then.